Hi, do you know where do we live?
Pakistan.
Okay, what's the name of our province?
Punjab.
And what's the name of the city we live in?
Lahore.
All right. Do you know what language is spoken in Lahore and Punjab?
Jambi.
Punjabi. Wow. Okay, if I say a line in Punjabi, will you translate it into English? तुसी किथे चले हो?
आप किधर जा रहे हो?
English में बताएं.
We is going.
Tell me the name of our city.
Lahore.
What's the name of our city?
Lahore.
And in which province do we live?
Pakistan. Lahore.
Our province?
No.
Okay.
We live in Pakistan.
Province we live in?
Punjab.
Which city do you live in?
Lahore.
Okay. तुसी किथे चले हो? Can you translate it into English?
Where have you gone?
Does anyone in your home speak Punjabi?
My dad.
Translate it into English. Cheti karo. Okay, no idea. Oh. Who speaks Punjabi in your home?
Chachu.
To translate it into English. Cheti cheti karo.
जल्दी करो.
And what do you say it in English? How do you say it in English?
Move fast.
Ryan, which city do we live in?
Lahore.
Who live in Lahore?
Lahori.
Do you understand Punjabi?
Yes.
You know, most of the people in Lahore, they speak Punjabi.
Yes.
So if I say a sentence in Punjabi, will you translate it into
Yes.
English?
Yes.
तुसी किथे चले हो?
Where are you going?
Wow.
Lahore.
All right. So what do we call people who live in Lahore?
Lahori.
Which language do they speak?
Punjabi.
हाँ, पंजाबी बोली जाती है. All right. If I say a sentence in Punjabi, will you translate it? की खप पा रहे हो तुसी?
क्या खा रहे हैं?
What is the name of our city?
Modern town.
What is the name of our city?
Pakistan.
Do you understand Punjabi? A bit?
I don't know Punjabi at all.
Sorry?
I don't know Punjabi at all.
You don't know Punjabi at all. All right. What's the name of your city?
Lahore.
All right. Do you know what do we call people who live in Lahore?
Lahori.
If I say a sentence in Punjabi, will you translate it into English?
Yes.
Okay. All right. तुसी किथे जा रहे हो?
I'm going in the hotel.
No. Just translate the sentence. तुसी किथे जा रहे हो? Translate it into English.
Where are you going?
Yes. Thank you.
Lahore.
Okay. Do you understand Punjabi?
Yes.
Okay, can you just translate a sentence in English if I say it in Punjabi? किथे चले हो? Do you know where do we live?
Lahore.
And people speak mostly in Lahore.
Punjabi.
And तुसी किथे चले हो?
Where are you going?
Wow, good. Time हो गया है.
What is the time?
What's the name of our city?
Lahore.
Does anyone in your home speak Punjabi?
No.
No one? Do you understand Punjabi?
Yes.
Okay, can you just tell me की time होया है?
And there.
Where do we live?
In Earth.
Yes, we know we live on earth. But do you know the name of our city? What's the name of our city? Does anyone in your home speak Punjabi? No. Do you understand Punjabi? All right. Can you say किथे चले हो? Translate it.
घर जा रहे हैं.
घर जा रहे हैं. Okay. Can you translate? तुसी किथे चले हो?
Punjabi. Punjabi.
Translate it. तुसी किथे चले हो? Can you just translate this sentence into English? तुसी किथे चले हो? You tell me. Do you understand Punjabi?
No.
No. Okay. Can you understand Punjabi?
No.
पूरा सेंटेंस में बताओ ना.
I don't know what is Punjabi.
Okay. Who speaks Punjabi in your family?
My dad.
So, do you understand Punjabi?
No.
No. But if I say something in Punjabi, will you be able to translate it?
Yes.
All right. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਚੱਲੇ ਹੋ?
It means where are you going?
Wow. ਕੀ ਵੇਲਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ?
Time.
Okay. क्या? Does someone in your home speaks Punjabi?
Yes.
Who?
My dad.
All right. So if I say something in Punjabi, will you be able to understand it and translate it into English?
Yes.
All right. ਕੀ ਵੇਲਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ?
What's the time? My dad.
Your dado speaks Punjabi. Can you tell me इस चीज का क्या मतलब है? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਚੱਲੇ ਹੋ? Can say it again?
Where I'm going.
Okay. And does anyone in your home speak Punjabi?
Yes, Baba.
Baba. So what do Baba say in Punjabi?
क्या करता है तू?
Okay. Does anyone in your home speak Punjabi?
No.
No one?